Good day, Pinoy Clickers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, let's check out the glow. Let's go! Okay, so we have here an item we got from Shopee that will enable us, as you can see in the thumbnail, to go see the glow in the Wheels of Vengeance Heroclix. Okay, so just a bit of history. We purchased this item before the end of 2023, but there was a bunch of delivery attempts that was unsuccessful, so it got returned to the seller. I ordered it again, and then another unsuccessful attempt until finally I was able to get this item. And this is blue light, blue magnification light. Okay, so if you're not familiar, in Heroclix, we have what we call the Wheels of Vengeance. Okay, one of the modern sets as of recording this video, and figures would look something like this. So you can see orange means this glows in the dark, and as well as this articulation. Okay, for this is Ghost Rider, this is Demon Hailstorm, and of course the Hell Cycle. So they all glow in the dark. I also have here another Ghost Rider. Okay, this is actually Earth's Ghost Rider. Okay, and of course we have the glow pack of Earth. Okay, so shout out to Earth. I'm gonna be using your glow booster to showcase the blue light, blue flashlight. Okay, so LED flashlight. I think I got this for around 200 pesos if I'm not mistaken. So it's really cheap, and yeah, it needs 4 batteries. So good that it comes with exactly that number of batteries. Okay. So I had to buy this because I haven't seen the glows in these characters yet. It's been with me for a couple of months now, I guess. Okay, it just so happened that I don't get a lot of sunshine in my home. Okay, so I'm on the 5th floor, so that's why, and the sunlight is on the other side of the building. So actually it only works with 3, so we have a spare battery. So anyway, so I wanted to see how it works, the glow in the dark. So if you don't have sunlight, make your own sunlight with a blue light. Okay. There's no on or off for this particular flashlight, so I guess we have to remove the battery afterwards, and I cannot seem to close it. Okay, so the way I understood it, you just have to do this. put the flashlight on the figures. Okay, let them simmer, I guess. Okay, they will absorb the light. Okay, this one is a full glow in the dark piece. This is a glow pack because all the figures in the pack is glow in the dark. Okay, I hope it works. And this one, okay, let's highlight the wheels. Okay, and the base, the trident for Damon. Okay, I hope this works, or this will be an epic fail. Catch. Okay, the wheels are also glow in the dark. This is a novelty design from WizKids, so I really like it. Although you cannot see it technically when you play Heroclix because you don't play in the dark, but if you are that kind of collector and you have a blue light for your cabinet or display case, then by all means get this. Okay, I don't know if that's enough, so I'll probably do a test run with by turning the lights off, and then let's see how that works. So for a while. Okay, so let's try that again. Let's submerge them to more of these blue lights. Again, I don't know if I'm doing this properly or not, but you can immediately see there seems to be a glow in the dark for this. The glow in the dark for this figure seems to be working. Take a look. Okay, but the other one not so much. Okay, let's see. Okay, so see, the blue seems to be better rather than the orange, so probably the orange need to be submerged to more what you call this, darkness. Let me see if I can hide it. Okay, let's submerge them to more. There, now it's close up. Okay, probably I need a stronger flashlight, but it's okay. We just wanted to see the glow. Take a look at that Ghost Rider, one of the best scope. Okay, let's see. There, ooh, I can see a little glow. Okay, the base is really glowing now, but the other parts are not so much. Okay, the trident, let's see if we submerge it to the lights. Okay, let's see. Ooh, you can see it glowing a little. Okay, more. Okay, so yeah, it is glowing a little. This one I really want to see glow in the dark. So let's do like 30 seconds of light here. Okay. Please share in the comments if I'm doing it incorrectly. By all means, I am not an expert on this. And this is the Spirit Rider, by the way. Okay, so you can see her. Okay, let's see. There. Oh. So not so much, only not so evident. Okay. Unlike the blue one that's really prominent, you can see here it absorbs well. Okay, so that's it for the video. I'm just gonna circle this here and probably do this until I fade out. Bye bye.